where they right little bit above Goodyear. Where they used to have the Goodyear Oval, we see them dig out an excavation down in the ground there. I don't know. Some work taking place on the roundabout. We're in the vicinity of the roundabout.
Well, it looks like it's just a house that go on.
It was Welcome back my viewers and subscribers. We're the right little bit above Goodyear. Yeah, we're there above the Goodyear complex. And we see over where they used to have the Goodyear Oval. We see them dig out an excavation down in the ground here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it seems like them out for launch a building project right over where they used to have the Goodyear Oval. You can maybe see it in the ground here. But this morning we are take a little walk on this road here, right at the bridge. It's over there, right at the Bustamante Bridge. And we want to take a walk, go straight up to the roundabout because some work taking place on the roundabout. And you know that was long in the making. Yeah, morning. So some work taking place on the roundabout, the viewers and subscribers. So we are take a walk. But this morning, how is the morning? Alright, you want to say anything about the road road work going on? So I go cross the road there. Yeah. I go cross the road and hear the bridging officer. Morning, sir. A whole heap of work take place on the road and it take quite a while, but it go on anyhow. You know, what's your opinion about the road work?
Your opinion?
Yeah. Alright, just smile. A whole heap of smile upon your teeth. You have anything to say, mommy? Alright, big up yourself, big super. We are walking, we are looking on the roundabout. Because we see them dig up the roundabout. Yeah. And a long time the roundabout want to spruce up, you know? Because them get it now. Yes, Natty? Yeah. Alright. More love here and big up the Rasta. And I'm a Rasta Virgin shop this, you know. I'm sorry I'm never out there for me big him up. Yeah man. So big up my Rasta family link. Yeah man. So we're up on the road, people. And we are make a little small walk. We see some people but them. Yeah. You run right back there. Okay, where you do? Wake him up? Okay. Yeah. Oh.
Everything up, man. Round about the man, see it?
Alright, my Jenna. Yeah, man. Some viewers and sub, you don't know when Big Super take out in camera. When me take out my camera. Alright. So, see which part them load the water truck them there. Right, that's how them load the water truck them and things. So, we're there, right at the bridge, people. Work are going out here. Yeah, pipe around, cross the bridge. And I don't know if it's a good idea. But you can maybe fill up the comment section and let me know to run the pipe on the bridge. But a whole heap of space there still for people to walk. So, it's not really impede nobody from walking. Like you see all bikes come on and ride on the bridge while the bridge I work on. So it not really impede nobody from walking. So we are go down to the roundabout, people, because work taking place down at the roundabout. I mean, I know if I have it wrong, people, I have it right, but every time I pass the vicinity of the bridge, them tall tree with the out or so, I feel them tree I should have cut down. I say it all the while and come back nobody doing business. I feel them tree where I grow out of the river. Them tree I should have cut down. Yeah, man. Morning. Yeah. So I feel them tree they should have cut down, people, where I grow, like them I grow, out of control. over the bridge there. So we're up on the one of the largest bridge in Jamaica, the Bustamante Bridge. Yeah, we get some whole rain last night, people. So the place cool and nice. And time and temperature check 6:33 in the morning, the 10th of October, people. It's a Tuesday. It's a Tuesday morning. It's a Tuesday morning. I'm going to ask Google. I'm going to ask Google what the temperature like and hear what Google say. Google, what's the temperature? Right here. I just remember my phone now have no service. I embarrass myself. Anyway, I'm bridging from down under. Very cool in the morning. Yeah, very, very cool. The sun don't even show out as yet in the morning. Yeah, Natty. Yeah. The sun don't even show out as yet in the morning. The morning is very cool. Coming across the bridge. So we just make a little walk and we are going to show now the roundabout where construction take place upon. Yeah man, I'm going to see exactly what's going on this morning out here on the roundabout. So stick and stay, people, and remember the dump. From where the dump it and need some whole of smoke, you know. I don't know if you can see the dump up there, so the mountain there where see the people, I can pull it in. At the dump that, you know. Yeah, that mountain there look on. It almost in line with the town of Marant Bay. If it continues to grow so, it will go past the town of Marant Bay. That dump there. Boy, may I tell you. So we are enter in the vicinity of the roundabout, people. We are entering the vicinity of the roundabout where work take place. We're up on the bridge. And what I like with the next side of the bridge there, if you can look, whole heap of plant and banana tree are plant up down there. So the bridge around the plant up. You understand? Plant up. So we see a sign. And the sign say caution. And one little dog there. I look one way and think, morning. Yeah man. So my viewers and sub, work are going out here at heading to Marant Bay. So the pipe them down underneath the ground. I heading at the direction at the bridge. My viewers and sub, you see the pipe them under the ground. So work are going out here. Them yesterday I pass and I see the machine will have the thing like brush. I skim off the surface of the road. My people, yeah, you know the machine will spin and brush the road. I see them skim off the surface yesterday. So it seems like them are prepared, them also prepared a section of the road for asphalt. So it look like Marant Bay a town going to get a Christmas roundabout. Yeah. It seems like them going to get something for Christmas out here. Yeah. Morning. You have anything you want to say? Yeah man, so you know me take out my camera, people. People always stop most of the time and talk with me. So we're there in the vicinity of the roundabout, people. We're there in the vicinity of the roundabout. Yeah, and you can see we are show you where the pavement that barrier will run round the roundabout. Morning daddy, everything. Alright, one love. So we are sure you say that barrier. You have any opinion on this? Like, you know, what am I going with?
No, I don't know nothing about it.
Alright.
I'll see them go on with
You see them going with none? So what on now? You see them dig up the concrete and thing. And you regard it as nothing?
Well, it looks like it's just a hustling I go on.
It look like you're just a hustling.
Yeah.
Alright, no say nothing more. Me understand.
Yeah.
Bless up yourself, yeah? Yeah, so the brethren say it does look like it's a hustling. I can understand what they mean. Because you know, see nothing serious really are going. But the concrete dig up, we go around the roundabout, in the area dig up, and thing, road a skim off, and thing. And rain fall last night, so the rain that fall last night might make you not get to see the full 100 hour really take place on the road. But big super there on the road here, and we just walk you to Church Corner. Yeah, we just walk you to Church Corner and make you see exactly what's taking place on the roundabout. So we're in the vicinity exactly at the part where the part where that be the roundabout, and we have the Red Hill Cemetery way over to the back, people. So the viewers and sub, morning. One of my loyal subscribers there yell me up. See them on the roundabout. Yeah, the roundabout there. The road skim off and the road are prepared for asphalt. Out here, the continuation to come on to Church Street, Church Corner Road. Yeah, so they're join up back with it. So it's a good look, despite the politics about it. Trust me, it's a good look. Them do something, and them try to get this section here up maybe before Christmas. And you know Christmas is right around the corner. So people, right out of the roundabout here, as you can see, it's skim off. The road skim off, and the road are prepared for asphalt. Some part I dig up and all these things. So work are going out here, and we just keep update. We just keep the viewers and we subscribers update on the roundabout, make you guys know that work taking place out here in the vicinity of the Marant Bay roundabout, people. So if you like the look of walk I'm make people for sure, no? Early morning walk, when we make for sure what take place. Remember if you like, share and subscribe, people. Yeah, remember to turn on the post notification bell, and also people, if you can donate to the channel to get it grow, you can donate. I may need a drone or a drone, you know that thing will fly over, people, and you can go down in the description and WhatsApp me and help me to buy a drone, because I need to start do some drone footage. Yeah man, I need to spruce up my channel before Christmas, people. So just do the right thing, people. Big super out here in the vicinity at Church Street, Church Corner, saying have another wonderful and beautiful day. Peace out.
Big super.
One love.